The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD chassis is built for power and reliability, perfect for tackling the toughest jobs. Its turbo diesel engine delivers impressive torque for heavy-duty performance, while the automatic rear locking differential provides enhanced traction and control on challenging terrains. Step inside to discover a premium audio system for immersive sound and turn-by-turn navigation for effortless guidance on every journey. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 35